Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be giving you some guidance from the Divine Guidance deck. It's an affirmation card deck and it's by Affirmations Publishing, which is an Australian company. And I'll just show you the box in case you're looking for it. I use this deck every day when I'm working with Hecate, and I'll talk more about that. But before I do, I am Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path and Tapping into Abundance. If you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, shadow work and tarot, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want a tarot reading with me, you can certainly have one. You can have a half-hour one or an hour one. I do them over Zoom, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can inquire about booking a session with me by the link in the description field below this video. It will be to book a tarot and oracle card reading session, so just click on that. Now I'm going to get straight into the reading today. I use these cards when I work with Hecate, and the way that I would do that is after I create my sacred space and bring in the circle, the 4 quarters. I don't do a full circle every day, so I do a mini one. I invoke Hecate. I often do chanting with Hecate as well, and then I will do some form of divination. I like to work with a tarot card, an oracle card, and this deck or my soul purpose deck as well. I just like combining different things and not necessarily just sticking to a tarot deck for my readings every day. So what is the reading today? And I ask Hecate to bless the reading, and if there's any guidance that she can give me, then she can certainly do that through the cards. Okay, the guidance for today. Should you choose to follow it, there's always freedom as to whether you think this resonates with you or not. It might not resonate with you. The guidance is about flow. So it says here that you are clinging too tightly to things, so let go a little and allow the energies to flow. And this is a good one probably for a lot of us. How often do you cling to things too much and get too tight and bound up and stuck, essentially? And that might be stuck in stress. It could be feeling stuck in your life or in something that you're doing. It could just simply be that because you're so tight and holding on to something, even if that's just a point of view, or holding on to something that you're doing, or holding on to a person or something that you should perhaps just give a little bit more flow to, how does that make you feel, in your life? It creates a lot of extra stress because you're using up a lot of energy to hold on. So the card is sort of saying to me that it's about being like water and allowing yourself to flow more with what is happening in life. Life isn't static. We can't hold on to it. We have to learn how to be like water and flow a lot of the time. And while it's okay to hold on to things, and water can hold on to things, but that thing that usually it holds on to is actually flowing with it. So it's not like if water gets stuck somewhere, it will go stagnant. But it can actually take things with it as it flows. And can you take whatever it is that you're holding on to with you as you flow through your day, as you flow through your life? And if you can, how do you allow that to be with you? Does it float on your water? Does it sink? How does it flow with you? Is it something that's easy to flow, or is it something that's not flowing so well? Something that's getting caught perhaps in the reeds or something like that. So being able to let go of something, as in not letting go of it completely, but just loosening up the grip on something to allow the air to flow, to allow the water to flow, so that you can get a bit of a rhythm and a bit of a pace, and also learn that nothing stays the same. Everything is in flux. And we have to learn to go with flow and go with change. And if we're holding on too tightly to something, particularly something that is in the past, then we have to learn to ease off the grip and see where our river of life wants to take us and where it wants us to flow to. Our destination, if we allow ourselves to flow more with life rather than having to be in control of it all of the time, is going to allow us to have the experiences we need to have so that we can be more in our purpose and learn more of the things we need to learn to do what we came here to do. And if you look at your life from when you started life right through to where you are now, and all of the things you've done, the things you've educated yourself on, your experiences with other people, jobs you've had, your schooling, the things you've learned, the experiences you had in your childhood, regardless of how good or bad they might have been, every one of those things has brought you to where you are now. And every one of those things is a learning experience that you have, and you can use each and every one of those skills and experiences that you've had to live your purpose right here, right now. And the flow is about then flowing with where that purpose wants to take you and where you want to go with that. So ease off on something that you might be holding on too tightly to and allow things to flow more. So as I said at the beginning, if you want a tarot or oracle reading or both with me, you can certainly do that. The link to book one is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.